40 grams of protein and no cooking. Welcome to Cooking with Zero Cells, a series for lazy people who wants to eat healthy. Today, we're making cucumber salad with 40 grams of protein and under 300 calories. Dice 1 whole cucumber, add 1 clove of garlic, 1 whole avocado, a can of tuna, 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. Add a dash of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now, this is the best part. We gotta wrap it up and shake.
Go, Kylie, go!
This is a workout.
Kylie, go!
This is a workout. I swear.
Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
One eternity later.
Creamy, garlicky, filling, and your stomach stays flat. Your gut will thank you, and you barely did anything. You are welcome.